Back again, I've got Shawn K here. 2 boxes of 2012 Leaf Memories Baseball live here on Blowout TV. Alright, Shawn, good luck, buddy. Again, appreciate it as always. Let's see what we got. Got a printing plate 101. Armstrong, Martinez, Brooks, King, and Martinez again, all to 20. Devin Marrero, Johnny Bench, Zunino to 99. Mel Stoudemire to 5. And Sammy Sosa, number to 5. Look at Sammy's stash there. Nice. Alright, and our hits. Printing plate 1/1 autograph of Alan Hansen. And a Don Paul, number 10 of 30. Box number 2. You are going to be a very, very, very happy guy. Lenny Harris. Greg Harris, no relation. Eric Anthony, checklist, numbered to 20. Paul Gibson, Mazeroski, and Gibson, and Piazza to 99. Greg Myers to 20, and Mike Scott, numbered to 5. I'll save this one. Robin Yount, numbered 10 of 19. Excellent hit right there. You got it. Here, Piggy Piggy. 7 of 25. Kaboom. Dollar bills, dollar bills. Excellent hit. All right, Shawn, again, buddy. Appreciate it. Congrats on the Piggy, and I'll get it right out to you.